What is up everyone, Dive in here, and what I've got here is the Teenage Engineering PO-80 Record Factory Kit. Wow, that's a mouthful. The packaging looks super nice. That's not even in my script, but I'm pretty stunned by it. But what is this thing? The PO-80 is a brand new, or is it? We're gonna dive into that later. Do-it-yourself vinyl cutter that allows us, you and I, to make our very own vinyl records. Now that's pretty mind-blowing to me, which is why I decided to dust off the old YouTube channel and make a video about it. These are 5-inch vinyl records, so the runtime is very short. And according to Teenage Engineering's website, they're ultra lo-fi sounding, which to me is kind of a euphemism for sounds like crap. Good thing I'm a lo-fi producer, right? But also, it's very expected. I mean, what else will we expect from a do-it-yourself $140 vinyl maker that we can use at home? So very soon from now, I'm gonna make my very own first vinyl record ever, which I'm super excited about. But first up, we're gonna need to assemble this thing ourselves. Let's go. Oh, did I mention that I really suck at anything engineering or technical related? I'm the kind of person who can barely change a light bulb, so this is gonna be fun. And by fun, I mean I'm pretty sure I'm gonna break this thing. So that was exhausting, at least for someone like me who's got like zero skills in building together things. But it was also interesting to see how things work on the inside of a record player. Honestly, I didn't expect that, but I quite enjoyed that. You know, the main board, the motor, the little rubber band that makes the turntable go around. There's actually 2 of them. But also like the speaker, you know, honestly kind of cool seeing all this and just knowing that I actually built this with a lot of help and support and calming words from my lovely wife, who has a profound background knowledge catalog in putting together IKEA furniture. So she was like, if I can't do that, I can do this. And we did. Thank you, Julia. So, first thoughts. I still love the design of this. I still love how it looks. The orange is my favorite color, so it really just, it pops. It looks very retro, very 70s, and I love the font choice, everything about it. The build quality, not the part that I did, I mean the material quality is kinda, but you know, what did you expect? It's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. The one thing I can definitely recommend after putting this together is do the thing that we did in the very beginning, which was lay out all the parts so that while putting together the PO-80, you don't really need to search for anything. You just got everything right there, which makes the entire process of putting it together much more fluent. The manual itself was very well detailed. It was very easy to understand. I think we only did one little oopsie where we put the speaker cable this way instead of this way, so we had to unscrew the main board once and then kind of reroute the speaker cable. But other than that, we had no issues. It just took some time, but that was expected. So yeah, the manual is super decent even for a dummy like me. Now, the moment of truth, does this thing even work? What do the records sound like? How to use the mastering software that Teenage Engineering are providing on their website? All that good stuff. You're gonna have to be patient and wait till my next video, which is gonna drop hopefully pretty soon. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you then. Peace. Oh, and the controversy. We didn't talk about the controversy that I was alluding to in the beginning of the video. So, you know, in case you didn't know, the PO-80 is actually just a rebranded product, which was originally called, or still is available as, the Gakken Toy something something. I'm gonna put that here. I personally have never heard about that product, so the fact that maybe I'm ignorant, or it's just, you know, the fact that Teenage Engineering made this and sort of put it into a more mainstream focus by doing that is pretty cool, I think. Yeah, it does cost like, I think $50 more, this one, obviously. I gotta say, it does look a whole lot nicer, according to my personal set of taste buds. So, I think there's worse things to complain about, so who cares?